how to show or hide shares, notifications, content on VK on Android or iOS phone. First, open a VK and now click Hub here and then tap History Lines and tap Settings. Now tap on Notifications and then go to Shared, and that's it. Now all you need to do, you can manage it here. If you want to hide it, just select None, and you can select All if you want to enable it again, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.